Okay, so I have a good idea. Kind of got a little inspiration from a post, but I'm gonna do my hardest to put my own twist on it, right? We're gonna put my own twist on it. So what I have here is actually some sound absorber, right? I was filming a video where I tried to put this on the walls because my new studio that I have is very echoey. Don't know if you heard that. But long story short, put it on the walls with double-sided Velcro and it all fell down the next day I came. So we're just gonna use this now. What I'm gonna do is I want this to be reflective, right? So the model is going to be kind of sort of right here, and we're gonna try to get like a pretty much a photo of her here, right? And then also here, so like a split image basically. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Mylar on this. Now, should I have used a mirror? Probably, but I'm gonna use Mylar. So I'm gonna take you through the process while I do this, right? Because Mylar can get very tricky when you start putting your hands on it. All right, so I'm going to, let's see. All right, cool. Get some scissors. And my scissors are over there. Give me 1 second. So, scissors, tape, and I'm gonna tape it up. All right. So, let's get a long enough strip for this. And, all right. So, let's see. I hope this works. I think it will. I think we will, okay? All right, this is good enough. I don't wanna get fingerprints on it. All right, so, well, it's not going so good so far. Let's hope that this works. So I'm gonna take this part and lay it on here. Oh my God. It got wrinkles in it already, man. Okay, hold up. Let me go this way with it. Not. It got wrinkles in it. It got more wrinkles in it now. Let's go with the flow. You're not gonna go anywhere. Okay. Honestly, that's all I need to do. That's all I need to do right there. The thing about Mylar is once you get these smears, these smudges on them, it's kind of hard to get them off. And let me try with a test shot. Maybe light comes down right here. Yes. All right, so let's go with the light setup we will do. I will be using my AD600 Pro II, okay? So let's get that. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boom the light at the top like this, right? So that way the light can come down and then she's gonna get feel from right here. And I could kind of even see myself in this. So this may actually turn out better than I thought. And if I gotta cut a new roll when she comes, I'll just cut a new roll when she comes because it'll be way easier. At this point, I'm gonna have to be lower than this. But I don't think this goes up anymore. Let's see. Oh, yes it does. Perfect. And if I wanted to, best thing about these tables, I can actually angle it a little bit. So right now I have light in front, which is probably where it's gonna be. I may actually get set up on a tripod when I shoot this. I'm not sure because I don't want to be in the frame. So I may, because I'm tethering. So what I may do is I may use Capture One just to set it off because I'm pretty sure it's going to hit the eye. I have a Nikon Z8, so I don't have to worry about those problems. So let's see how this is. And then we will play with poses. And hopefully we get something creative. So this is the setup. We're gonna see how it is once she arrives. Speak.
I'm not a dog. What do you mean speak?
I didn't mean it like that.
Speak. Never have anyone try to talk to me on a dog. Speak. So they can you can hear me now? For the third time, welcome to Ryan's beauty channel. So I am using the foundation to outline the lipstick, so it's perfect. So that's Makeup 101. I am taking over Ryan's channel, by the way. Ha ha ha.
So let me explain the setup basically, because I don't think that there was any point in this video where I did. So we have white paper in the back, but what you probably don't see is I have an AD600 in the back as well, popping onto the background to brighten it up a little bit, while I have the AD600 above with a softbox, I believe a 36-inch softbox coming down, and then the Mylar is bouncing it up to give a little bit more feel. I like that, yeah. Look at yourself in it. Let me see what it looks like when you look at your, I like that.
Ooh,
yeah,
I like that one.
That one's nice. Hold up, let me just kind of show exactly what I'm getting here. If y'all can see that. Cool. All right, let's try. Come.
Whole body, half body. No.
What, you want to put your body more in it? Go ahead, show me what you want to do. Go ahead.
Yeah, but I think maybe just to lower it, or...
Oh, you want me to lower it?
Here we go, it's good.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's see how that looks. All right. Cool and cool.
Hi, my name is Zoe Weber, and my IG is.
So it is Michelle
with one L.
With one L. W underscore 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 underscore.
Michelle with one L underscore underscore 97
underscore underscore. Yeah.
Oh. Wait, how do I do it?
There we go. Perfect. That was fire. Hold up. This one right here. Can I get some more with your hands out like you were? How you was like bringing them in towards me? Yeah. Yeah. Give me claws. Right. We're clawing. Right. So instead of flat, just like yeah, and put a bend in them like you're reaching out like that. Okay. Stay like that. Hold up.